Good morning, my beautiful people. Happy Monday. How's everyone doing? Apologies, guys, I'm running a little bit late. I had to do some shopping and I got caught up in a little bit of traffic. But other than that, guys, how's everyone doing? I see that there's some people that are already in longs on NQ. It's a new week, which means, guys, payout week, baby. Payout week on the Funded Pro Futures account. I will be taking a payout this week, either tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm just wanting to build a little bit more of a buffer, and yeah, then we can get into the whole payout side of things live in front of you all. So definitely in the next day or two, I'll be taking a payout live in front of all of you beautiful, beautiful people. We got Nifa. Good morning, Nifa. Dan, how are you, big guy? How are you, brother bear? Who else? We have Symphy in the chat. Dan said he had an entry 29 minutes ago. Yeah, guys. We're going to do a little chart breakdown shortly. Chart breakdown shortly, guys. But first, let me just update the chat because I don't know why every stream it Sorry guys, just give me 2 minutes. I'm just going to update the chat and we can then start the, start the stream, see if there's any trades. And I do have some news for you guys. I do have some news for you all. Some exciting news. Every week there's some news I'm dropping. So I've got two things to tell you guys on the stream. Two really exciting things. Which I will get into shortly. But first, what's your guys' bias for the day? What is your bias, guys? What is your bias on today's chart of NQ? What is the bias, my beautiful people? Let me just get the chat in, so we're all ready to go. Cool, cool, cool. I think we are up and going. I trade prop firms in the chat. Guys, if you have not already, drop a like on the stream. If you're new into the chat right now, start dropping your likes. Super quick, support me a little bit. You know, I'll keep supporting you. You know the vibe. So hit that like button if you have not already. And we are gonna get ready to rumble, guys. We are gonna get ready to rumble. K-Dog's bullish. K-Dog is bullish. Yeah, I'm bullish as well, but guys, I'm gonna take it very, 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 how do I say it? I had a very big week last week, so this week the approach is going to be take it easy, especially today. Guys, last Monday, I did take 2 back-to-back losses. Looking at the chart now, guys, we're not moving super cleanly. That does not mean we won't have a move though, right? Toxic, I appreciate you, bro. Just because, guys, it's Monday does not mean we're not going to have a nice movement. But yeah. So let's do our usual, right? Let's go look at the higher time frames and let's go see what actually happened. Let's go see what happened on last week. How did that weekly close, guys? How did that weekly candle close? Guys, last week was a huge big bullish closure of a weekly candle. Okay, now going into this week, does that mean we're going to continue the bulls? There's a high possibility we're going to have some nice bull run still. The only thing that after such a big candle, we might expect to pull back this week. There is also CPI, guys, this week, so this pullback might happen Monday, Tuesday. CPI is going to come and then we might continue going higher, or we're going to continue running bullish until CPI. And the third scenario is we're just going to range bound. So something that I'm going to make very clear, guys, after these really big bull runs constantly that we've been having for how many weeks? We've been having a bull run for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 weeks now. We've been running bullish on NQ. Okay, what happens is that, guys, at some point price is going to start stalling, and when that happens, it can get quite tricky to start trading. I am going to start lowering my risk now, just a little bit. I don't want to be giving too much of my profit I made back from last week. Okay, so the plan of action this week, guys, is to trade conservatively. Trade the plan. We need to trade the plan this week. There's CPI, we just had NFP, now we've got CPI. Trading the plan is key. Okay, so that's my plan, and it should be your guys' plan too. Make sure your every single rule is always followed and that patience is always put before anything else. Okay, but yeah, the current weekly candle that opened up today, you can see that it's very small, right? We've hardly even moved on the weekly. Why? Because we're actually ranging right now on the lower time frame. On the daily, what's happening there? Daily time frame, as we can see, bullish as well. Obviously, we're really playing above EMA quite nicely. Friday, big bullish candle, as we all know, and then today we are kind of trapped, right, on the daily candle. We're trapped in a little bit of a range. Okay, as we can see, there's hardly movement. So this daily candle might just keep pushing, and if we do keep pushing, I can maybe see price coming up to the 9600, so 29,600 area. That could be a target if we're going to continue pushing higher. So let me just mark 2600 off. This will be one of my targets, okay, if we do continue going higher. Okay, so 2600 will be my target going into longs. But yeah, let's see from there. So let's go to the 1 hourly. Are there some key levels we can look to start marking off? That's what we do, obviously, guys, from the 1 hourly. So 1 hourly, what's crack-a-lacking over here? Okay, we're not so far away from 29,600. We aren't so far away. Okay, well, actually, guys, I'm talking shit. 29,500 would be the first target. That's more ideal. 29,500, great psychological rounded off number. So maybe longs into 29,500, possibly. Okay, maybe we also want to come grab some highs from last week. Maybe we want to come grab some of them highs. So, wait, hold on, am I talking shit? 12, 11, 10. No, I'm lying, guys. I'm lying. I'm sorry, I'm lying. I've just got to the charts and I haven't really done the analysis. We can maybe potentially come grab this high, but we need to see if price wants to make it up there. But that could be a grab. Maybe we come for the highs. So target 1 would be sitting at 29,400. Target 2 would be 29,500 if we're going to look for longs. However, we are bouncing above EMA, okay, the wiggly worm. We're bouncing above that wiggly worm, and looks like this hourly is trying to get back above. So guys, in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, if this hourly can close bullish, we could maybe squeeze some longs into the highs, okay, into 29,400. That could be a target, okay. And then regards to some key levels, we have a nice level there that we can see price came into this level and respected it, and now we're having the push up. So what we can do, we are stuck in this range, as we can all see, okay. We're stuck in this range right now, okay, from this level to this level. If the minute we can get a closure above this level, we could squeeze along into this 29,400, okay. So now what all we do, guys, we go to the 5 minute, you know the drill, and we can wait for that EMA entry, okay. That's it, simple. Keep it simple, man. Keep it super duper simple. I know some guys did take some longs from down here. Great. There was a great longing opportunity. This candle closed back above. You could have taken that long. I wouldn't have taken that because we were below this one level. But if you come back here, notice how we broke above, came back to retest that level and retest the EMA over here, sitting at 29,300, and then we had that closure back above. That would have been an entry too long. Okay, so if you're in this trade, congratulations to the guys that actually took this trade. That's a beautiful little trade you could have taken for sure. Guys, I do have some news I want to be dropping for you guys. I will be starting to live stream London session and New York session, guys. I'm extending my streams. I've been catching some really good moves in London session as well as in New York, okay? New York session for me has been crazy. I've been winning almost every day in New York session for the last week. I've been taking 1-2 trades and I've been really hitting TP quite consistently. I'm going to be starting to stream New York session privately on a Discord, guys. Which I'm going to be opening up tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is going to be the first live stream in New York session. So we're going to still do our YouTubing live trading together as every day. That's one change. And then I'm going to then move straight into Discord for the private New York streaming, which I'm going to be starting to do. So that's really exciting news. That is really exciting news. I've had so many people asking me, Cam, trade New York session, bro. And I'm finally going to do New York session trading in a Discord, guys. New York session has been crazy recently. I don't know. I'm kind of adapting to it now, you know. I didn't really used to trade it, but I'm adapting into the New York session, guys. I am adapting into that New York session. Oh, Sorbet is in. Lovely, bro. Plan the trade to trade the plan. Exactly, man. Exactly, bro. Won't lie, guys. If I did miss out on that beautiful long, that was a nice long. Although, guys, I might, you know, we're gonna wait for a good trade. I'm not going to be taking a trade unless it's an A+ setup for me. I might just, you know, wait depending on what we're going to get. Now, I'm not going to FOMO into a move. I know exactly what I'm needing to look for. Now, I will be probably looking then to find a setup in the New York session. Where's the cute puppy? Do you want to see the puppy? I'll show you now. Nifa, how do I get access to the Discord? Guys, I will be releasing a link tomorrow into the Discord for the New York session, live trading. It won't just be live trading. I will be posting setups. We're going to have group chats in there where we can all learn and communicate. So it's almost going to become a mentorship in a way where we can communicate with each other on a daily basis. Live trading New York session every day together, and sharing our setups, profits, losses, whatever it may be. It's going to become a community, a really one-on-one community. So hopefully what we can do together is merge some of the really, how do I say, what's the word I'm looking for? We can merge some of the eager traders into that group where we can put some more effort and more time to nurture, where I can nurture some of you a bit more, because I have a lot of people ask me about a mentorship. I don't want to be doing a full-on mentorship like I used to do anymore. I'd rather want to have a private live session that we can trade the trade from YouTube together, see if we can get a setup. If not, I then move into the New York session together, and then maybe we will then get a better setup or another one, whatever it may be. I will be dropping a link tomorrow for that, guys. I will be dropping a link. It's going to be very, very cheap. It's not about money for me. It's going to be very, very affordable for everybody. It's going to be extremely affordable. I definitely won't be dropping a lot of my, it won't be expensive. It's just a little bit more information and knowledge in that group that can start boosting your trading for sure, for sure, for sure. Yeah. I've never been the biggest fan of Discord communities though, guys. I've never been the biggest fan, but you know what? I've had so many people requesting it, and I'm like, you know what? Let me do it, but let me make it special one. Let me make it a bit different to any just general Discord community. I think it would be really cool, you know. There's so many new people that have come on my stream that want to ask me all these questions. So you know what? That's going to be the opportunity for you to ask, and I can give you the correct answers back, and just flood you guys with info. Yeah, I've already set it all up with WAP. Everything is ready to rock and roll, and the first month is going to be definitely for all of you guys, because all of you guys that are currently watching have been so consistent and just so supportive. I'm doing 50% off for the first 3 months, guys, of the Discord community. So, you know, it gives everybody a fair chance of getting in, you know. And the bigger we grow, the more money we guys start making. That's, you know, when I'm like, whoa, I've got my gang in. Now it's time, you know, new people aren't going to be able to get in so easily. Okay, let's see. We're having the pullback, guys. We're getting back below that level. It looks like price is trying to get back inside that range. So what I'll be looking for right now is I want to see price react off the EMA currently and close back above that key level. So that for me would confirm that we're going to continue pushing higher. Okay, so it'll be nice to see price come into this EMA, and then the next 5-minute candle is to close back above that key level, and then we can look to long from there, which will be a really good risk to reward into that 29,400 level. Okay, that would be a good setup for a Monday. Price to come into the EMA, show rejection, and then the next 5-minute candle to close back above that key level from that EMA, and then that would be entry. We take the break of that candle. All right, it is just Monday, guys. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have a lot of live trading coming up, like a lot this week. So no rush, guys. I am tired of rushing Mondays. I'm just going to take Mondays super chilled, super easy. That's my plan for this next month. Just chill on Mondays a little bit more, you know. Let the market come to us. I don't want to be chasing it anymore. I definitely last week I felt I did overchase the market a little bit too much on certain days, but it's cool. I learned from the mistake. I know now when I overchased the market, what happened? I took one too many losses on those days. Okay, more than I expected. So I know now to avoid that, and me avoiding that is going to just get me to win more. Okay, that's my plan. We got a full 77 people in the chat right now. Do you guys want to say hello to my doggy? Hold on, give me a moment. Baby, hello, good. Come say hello. Come say hello. Come say hello. Come say hello. Oh, whoa, whoa! So excited! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Say good morning. Happy Monday, traders. Happy Monday. Okay, go. Listen. Oh, she is. Oh, she wants to come back. Okay, come on. Oh, he's so excited. I'm so excited, Dad. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Wow, she's fucking crazy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good morning, Shari Robinson. Good morning. Let's see, guys. We're getting the rejection of EMA. We are getting that rejection right now. Yeah, Dan, the star of the show. This dog just loves sitting on my lap while I'm trading. She just loves it. She's the co-host. There we go. We're getting rejected. No. We're getting rejection of EMA. We are getting the rejection of that EMA. Let's see, guys. Next 5-minute candle is opening up in 3 minutes. Let's get the nice closure back above. Let's get that closure back above EMA, and we're going to execute, guys. Even if there's a setup, I am just needing one more good trade, guys, before taking a payout. So, like, if there is a good setup, I probably will take it, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna see. Like, I know what I'm looking for. Okay. If I see a setup, I'm like, this is a good setup. You guys, if you want to take it, you go for it. But I need to take a setup that's going to really excite me, right? Because I'm needing to make one good trade before this payout. I'm so close to getting my account balance to $30,000 in profit. I'm wanting to leave a 20k buffer in my account, guys. So I just need one good trade, and then I can take my payout. So I'm just going to take it very yeah, just be patient. There's no rush for me. It does not mean you guys can't take a good setup still. Stream is dropping out. Guys, is the stream okay? I'm looking now. Let me know, guys. Is it okay? I just had to switch to 5G. Sorry, guys. I live in the French Alps, and because there's a storm outside, it's affecting the signal a bit of the stream. But it should be okay now. It should be okay now. Just let me know, guys. Apologies, guys. Apologies about that. But I always make a plan. You guys can suck up my 5G. No problem. No problem. No problemo. Okay, okay, it's better. Great, great, great. That's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, guys, look what's happening. We traded below EMA. Now we're getting back above. What happens? Okay, let me ask you a question. To the new people, or not to the new people, to the guys that have been watching me for a while, what is it that I'm going to be looking for now? Just to see if you've been listening. What am I looking for right now? Look, notice how we closed below EMA. Okay? What will I be looking for right now in order to long, to take a buy? Let's see how many of you pay attention. Close above EMA. Yeah. Exactly. So if we can get the closure above EMA, that's when we're going to start looking for a long. Simple, right? Inside bar. Okay, inside bar would be great. It would be great as well. But the closure above EMA. Close green above 5 minutes. This candle to close above EMA. So this candle doesn't have to be the one closing above EMA. The next one can also. It doesn't matter. The minute we get a 5 minute candle closing above EMA, then we can look to take the entry. Now let me ask you the next question. What would my entry criteria be? If we get the closure above EMA, okay, which you all are right on, which is great. If we get the closure above that EMA, what would my next confirmation be to then take that buy? Close above EMA on the 5 minute and then break that candle's high with the next candle. Simply has been listening like a what? I don't know. But bro, you've been listening a lot, dude. So congratulations. Well done. He got that right. Exactly. Close above EMA and then we take the entry of the break of that candle that closed above EMA. Look at the 15-minute chart. What's happening there? There's no inside bar. But guys, notice on the 15-minute, I'm going to point something out, guys. It is really, really risky to be trading this, okay? Look how we just in this range. Guys, we are moving sideways. It's really not ideal, is it? So I do think we need to be super, super patient. Okay, on this 5 minute. Let's just be super patient, guys. Whatever trade will be taken, if someone does take a trade, just bear in mind you are trading a range. I need to see price close back above that EMA and above that level sitting at the 93.50 area in order to confirm a buy. Alright, great, cool. We are breaking the low of previous candle. Yeah, we are, but does that mean we need to take a short? Absolutely not. If your bias is bearish, you only take buying setups. If your bias is bullish, if your bias is bearish, you only take sell setups. If your bias is bullish, you only take buy setups, right? You know the drill. If your bias is bullish, why on earth are you taking a short? Yes, you might have an entry to take that short, but if your bias is bullish, that short might fail on you. Locked out for small win. Lovely, lovely, lovely stuff, brother bear. Outside bar on 15 minute. I don't know what an outside bar is. I know what an inside bar is, but I don't know what an outside bar is. Frick, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my people. For all the new people, guys, show some love. Hit that like button. It doesn't take much to give me a little bit of support. You know how it is. Just quick little tap that like button for me. And I'm telling you guys, you can at least, like the video for me, because I've gone out of my way and I've just created the most coolest fucking Discord ever for New York live trading together, because it's so requested. It's crazy how many people want the New York live trading. I guess it's just they love the volatility, which the volatility is great. There's some big moves in New York, I won't lie. Let's see, guys. We just have to be patient. We just need to see that closure back above that EMA. That's all we need to see. And then we can start slowly looking into taking longs again. But right now, there's no trade. Outside bars are very powerful on higher time frames. Yeah, bro, but you must understand something about me. I don't look at any other thing. I just look at my inside bar. I look at EMA. That's it. That's it. It's all I look at. Cam, where's the link to my Discord? I will be releasing the link on my Instagram, guys, later today. So it's all ready tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to be starting the private New York streaming. Yeah. These 5 a.m. Live streams, no, guys, nothing's changing for the YouTube. We're still streaming here every day together live at 5 a.m. on YouTube, okay? Because this is a great time for trading, as you've all seen. But the reason I'm going to go into the New York streaming as well, because guys, I have some goals that I have set out for myself, and I know that I need to start pushing my edge a little bit more in New York session. Reason being is because I have some things, that I want to do this year, big goals of mine, and I know I need to be adding in another session that will give me more probability of making more money, okay? On the New York stream, I will be trading variety of prop firms. It won't just be Thunder Pro Futures. I'm keeping my Thunder Pro Futures strictly for the 5 a.m. because it's really consistent. And then my other accounts, which I'm going to be putting high risk on, those ones will be put across other firms, Top Step, etc., all live in front of you, okay? Because I copy trade in the New York session. New York session is all about copy trading for me. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, New York session, I copy trade, guys. I copy trade New York session. Because the volatility is so high that I don't need to size up so big, and I can make big profit off that. New York is the quickest way to lose money. Exactly. That's why I don't preach it. That's why I don't trade it live on YouTube. It is one of the quickest ways to lose your money. But if you follow your plan, if you use good risk management and your strategy has a high win rate, you won't be losing a lot of money, bro. You might lose a little bit now and then, but it's trading, isn't it? I can lose money right now. If I take a trade right now, I can lose a lot of money. Cam going for a Lambo. No, dude, I'm actually not. Guys, I have a big goal. Let me tell you my goals, okay? My goals for end of this year is, okay, I want to buy a house, guys. I want to buy a chalet, a beautiful big chalet in the Alps where I'm living. And that's my goals for this year. It does definitely cost a lot of money. But when you want these big things like that, it does, you know, it's normal to be costing a lot of money. So I know in order to do that, I need to start milking as many prop firms as I can right now. So I'm going to try and milk them on all different sessions. I know I can do it. I know I can do it 100%. Like, I know I can. New York, yeah. So New York and London. So like how it's going to work is depending on price action in London session, I will call the live, okay? If price action in London session is not great, I will then call the live in New York session, okay? That's how I'm going to do it. Depending on price action that day, if I'm seeing London consolidate, I will then trade that New York session live. If I'm seeing London give a good move, it all depends on what I'm seeing. Some days I might trade both live. I don't know. I might have days where I'm doing 3 live streams, London, our 5 a.m. together on YouTube, plus that New York. It all depends. And I think it's about what people are wanting. I want to give, you know, people what they want. So if people are wanting some help in London session, cool. We can organize a London session, you know. I'm going to try work with everyone's needs, not just myself, you know, like, because I know I can trade London session. I've done it many times. I did it on Friday. I did it on Thursday. I did it last week a few times and I made good money. Cam is a millionaire. No, dude, I'll be honest, guys. I'm not a millionaire. I'm definitely not a millionaire. Do I want to be a millionaire? Of course, bro. Of course I want to be a millionaire. But I know for sure if I stick to my goals, I could easily reach that by the end of this year. Hands down. I know I can. I know I can. It's not far off. It just takes a little bit more trading to get to that for me. Bro, the Discord server name is going to be called Wiggly Worm Live Trading. That's the name of my Discord server. I'm not even capping, bro. It's called Wiggly Worm Live Trading. I promise you, dude. Because I didn't want to give it a name. I just called it Wiggly Worm Live Trading. Have you ever tried trading VP, volume profile? I used both and I think candle pattern and indicators can give you entries. But volume profile and OnlyFans gives you an edge. OF, bro. Despite being more complex, what's your insight? I used to trade volume profile. I did. I traded volume, guys. I've traded everything. I can probably teach any strategy because I know every strategy like by heart. I used to trade volume profile and I used to pair it with bookmap. Okay. I used to trade value area, high value area, low point of control. I did all of that. Does it work? Yes, it does. But at the same time, guys, this EMA 9 is extremely profitable. Like, I don't need anything else. I really don't need anything else. Oh, order flow. Yeah, I thought you were talking about OnlyFans, dude. No, sorry. I'm engaged. I'm not allowed to be on OnlyFans anymore. Yeah, Dan knows it. The worm prints big time, guys. And there's always a setup every day. There's always a setup. Some setups, there's a setup every single session. Maybe a couple setups every single session. Just some setups play out better than others. Okay. Mine's in the gutter. Yeah, bro. Mine's always in the gutter, dude. What's the worm? So guy, I'm assuming that you're new to the stream. The worm is, if you look at my chart right now, you see this pink line? That's the worm, bro. That's called the wiggly worm, and it is my strategy that I have created that actually wiggles you into being rich, bro. It's an extremely profitable strategy, dude, and very, 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 very freaking simple. You'll see, bro. The more you watch, you'll start realizing. I'm sure a lot of the guys in the chat can probably tell you that as well. Tell him, guys. Tell him right now. Look how horrible this price action is. It's just so choppy. It's not great, is it, huh? It ain't great. I'm new. I've seen a couple of sessions of you. Yeah, dude. EMA is just so... I don't like the EMA, dude. I don't like the name EMA. Like, I needed to make it unique for me. You mentioned that there is a couple setups, but wouldn't it happen a lot though in the day as the trends change? No, but bro, there's always a setup because the trend's always changing back and forth. So, like, if I'm looking right now at this choppiness price action, let me show you how many setups there is right now, okay? Like I said, the setup plays better if price is really trending. If price is ranging, you can still trade the range with the worm, but it's just not so clean, okay? Like, if I show you here, so there was a buy setup I know some guys took before stream. Notice how we closed back above EMA over here. There's the buy setup up into this level. So that was the buy, okay? Obviously, there was no setup to short over here. Yeah, coming from this level up here, look how we closed back below. You could have shorted this down to this level. You could have, yeah, every time price closes above or below an EMA, there's usually a setup. But sometimes the setups don't play out great, but that's normal. It's trading, right? You just need to know when to identify the good setup. That's when sessions come in. Because if you're in a high volume session, or if you're just in a time frame like a window where there's good volume and the market's trending, dude, like I'm telling you, bro, right now you will milk it, bro, with the strat. I've done it, guys. You've seen this account, guys. This account I'm on, I've grown it $25,000 in 10 days, 10 trading days live in front of all of you, just with the strategy. So you can't cap though. I can't cap about it, bro. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Cam got a better money printer than Jerome Powell. Yeah. So, I'm actually a billionaire, guys. I don't know if I've lied. I'm actually a billionaire. I'm sitting at around like $50 billion, bro, liquid in my bank account, dude. Yeah. That's just from this. That is just from trading for like the last 6 months. Yeah. I'm such a billionaire. I don't even. Yeah, I'm just so bloody fucking rich, bro. Elon actually asked me for a loan the other day. I'll wait for it to line with the bias. Exactly, guys. Bias comes first, entry comes second, okay? Always. Bias comes first, entry comes second. Now, there's 100 of you watching the stream. Like it right now. Like the stream right now. There's 100 of you. What are all of you doing here watching me? If you like, honestly, you trying to steal my signals, huh? You trying to steal my knowledge, bro? I don't charge you for this. Just pop a like on the stream, bro. Bro, girls and guys, I don't know how many women are watching this, but I know there's Nifa. Maybe there's more, I don't know. But just like it, bro. Don't be that guy hiding behind the wall in the closet. Get out the closet and like the stream. We need to hit 100 likes, guys. You know the vibes. You know the drill. Hit 100 and I drop a gem. I got so many gems I haven't even told you guys. I've said so many, but I've got a list of them. Yeah, James Bond for the puppy. Charlie's here to steal hard, bro. I'm sure there's a lot of people here, you know, hiding in the closet. I'm a muffin, I can't. I'm a muffin, I can't like. What? What this guy saying, bro? What's this guy saying, bro? Cam, why aren't you shorting now? The candle closed below the EMA. Because my bias is bullish, guys. Also, we are ranging. We're in a range. I don't want to short until my bias switches to being bearish. Guys, just look here at me, okay? What comes first? Bias. Because if you know your bias, you know direction. And we only trade the direction. Why are we wanting to short something when the market is running all-time highs? Let's just not be stupid, okay? So my bias is bullish. I'm only looking for buys. Until I get a very clean buy setup and we break out of the stupid ass range that we're in right now, then I will execute that green buy button. Okay. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Hey, boys. Hi, my sweets. Come on. You love it here with that. Yes, you love it. It's your lunchtime soon. What's the time? Oh, it's lunchtime. Let's go eat your lunch. All serious, love your stream. Peace. Charlie, just don't tell anybody in the chat, bro, but I love you too. Like a lot, bro. Like a lot. I love every single one of you, bro. Like a lot. And I'm not just saying that, dude. I actually care about you guys a lot. Okay. That's why I'm opening up a private Discord to stream New York session. Because I love you guys. And you're all asking me on Instagram, Cam, are you going to trade New York session tomorrow? Cam, can you trade London session? I'm like, guys, please, bro. Fine. I'll do it. For $40 a month. Of course I do it, guys. But honestly, I appreciate it, bro. Really. Come on, let's go eat. Babe? Can you feed Bailey? Now, James Swack. Guys, James Swack all told you something. He gave you a command in the chat. James Swack gave you a command in the chat, guys. Please go listen to what he told you to do right now and just do it. James, bro, do you want a 50k account, brother? Do you want a 50k account with Funded Pro Futures, bro? Real question. Real question. Do you want a 50k account with Funded Pro Futures, bro? James Swack. Real question. Do you want one? Okay, you want one? Okay, cool. So if you want a 50k account, brother, just sign up to Funded Pro Futures with my link and I'll send you a 50k account. I'm not even joking. Like I promise. Sign up with Funded Pro Futures and I'll send you a 50k account. Do you see, guys, when I have one of you people inside of the chat that are showing love and that are like, you know, taking charge and telling you guys to like the stream, you might get surprised and get something. Yeah, you never know with me, huh? You never know with me, huh? I'm just a man full of surprises. But I'm serious, bro. James, sign up with my link that I've pinned in the chat. And yeah, dude, I'll organize your account this week, dude. No problems, dude. I'm not even capping, bro. Like I'm not lying, dude. And just text me on Instagram and I'll try to sort you out. As long as you've signed up with that link. I need my stream pushed more, dude. Do you know what, bro? I do, and I'm trying my best here. I'm just running this shit solo. I'm like, you know what, guys? I want this stream to become I'm tempted to contact Netflix and put it on Netflix, you know, but they didn't reply to my email. We got the party show trader. Morning, sir. Let this week be power one. Lots of news. Managed to catch 140 points on Dow trade today on my Funded Pro account. Nice, dude. Nice stuff, my guy. Okay, you've signed up. Just text me on Instagram, bro, and I'll send you an account, okay? That's lucky, bro. I promise you, I have accounts on the side that I can just give away whenever I want, huh? So you must be, it can happen to any one of you anytime, huh? Just like the stream, guys, show the love. Like James Swack just like showed the love, huh? Yo, guys, we have the big gambler in the chat, Ronan. If you guys don't know Ronan, Ronan's my brother from another mother, literally. And he is a full-time gambler. Like, I'm not even joking. He's a full-time gambler and now he's coming to learn to trade. I'll be honest. I don't know how this journey is going to go for him because he gambles. He plays blackjack and he plays plinko ball and he plays all of this, you know, stuff you do on gambling sites. But now he's coming to learn to trade. And I don't know how this journey is going to go for him. Because the thing is, he might start treating the wiggly worm like blackjack. And this might not go so well for him. But, as long as he's watching the stream, as long as he's watching the stream, he's going to win. He's gonna win, huh? Ronan sounds like a legend. Bro, Ronan is a freaking legend, huh? Ronan is a legend. For sure. This guy gambles his way. Ronan gambles his way to pay for his groceries. You check his videos on Instagram. This guy will go and gamble to pay for his groceries. Every time. Sammy, I will show love even you don't give us an account. What are you gonna go to now? Radio Opera. Sam, I appreciate you, dude. I appreciate you. Ach no, Ronan, bro. I swear to God, did you talk absolute rubbish, bro? There's no way you full ported. Ronan texted me this morning. He's like, oh, he's gonna buy a 200k account. If you just blew your 200k account on a full port, dude, honestly, I have no words. I'm gonna tell Dad. I'm gonna tell Dad, dude. Just please don't change, bro. Don't become one of those bullshit. Sammy, brother, I am who I am, dude. I'll never change. I've been doing this content stuff on social media for like over a year now, dude, and I'm the same. I'll never change. There's a lot of BS influencers out there. I 100% agree with you, and I've always been extremely transparent with everything. So don't worry, dude. This is me. This is who I am, and that's why I'm gonna go privately into a Discord, and why it's only gonna be $40 a month, because I want to keep giving you this stuff more, you know, for a very affordable price. Like, if I was going to be one of those influencers, bro, I would have charged like maybe $200 a month, but nah. Nope. That's something I don't understand about these influencers. Some of these influencers, guys, they charge hundreds and thousands of money for their courses and Discords, but I ask myself, why are you charging so much if you trade? If you're a good trader, you shouldn't need the money from your Discords and stuff. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think people start questioning that stuff. The minute that influencer starts raising their prices high, that's when people are starting to like question if they're actually a good trader or not. But yeah, dude, I know a lot of these trader influencers. They make more money than they do trading. They make more money off their courses and their Discords than they do trading. 100%. Aines, it's my first stream and I'm loving it. Yeah, thanks for you in the chat making this journey for me. Dude, you welcome, Aines. I love you, man. Just hang out, just get a beer, and just come and vibe with us. We're still waiting patiently for a setup. We're all here chilling, chatting. We're waiting patiently for a setup. We haven't got anything. We are ranging right now, so we need to see. I want to see a buy, but guy, the buy only might come New York session, but might not. We need to see. We're not going to rush. It's Monday. Let's save ourselves from a loss, guys, because tomorrow is payout day, baby. Oh, Sammy, exactly, bro. They get all their money from subscribers because they're shit at trading, bro. I wouldn't personally. I was not even going to charge for the Discord live trading. The only reason I'm just doing a little bit is because that is going out of my way a bit, you know. I'm streaming live on YouTube for 2 hours a day with you guys. Streaming for like 4 hours a day is quite a lot. I'll be honest, it is quite a lot, but I love it. I absolutely love it, and I'm not going to stop. I'm thinking of even going to start doing IRL streams soon, where I'm going to start trading, and then I'm going to take the camera with me and go and do my life, and you guys can come with me. So, you know, if I go out and about to the shops, or if I'm going to go snowboarding or to the gym or whatever it may be, I just bring the camera with, and you guys can follow my life. Ronan says 200k account is looking very fresh right now. Yeah, dude. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy on that account. Dude, Dan is right. Basically, the reason for for the private streaming in Discord, guys. So basically, I'll be honest. And what do all of these influencers say on Instagram? They all say, I'm not proud of it, but I'm man enough to say it, that yes, the Discord is to fund my wine that I want to be buying. Okay, I'll be honest. Not proud of it, man enough to say it, but yes, guys. The Discord will be used to fund my red wine with my charcuterie board. Okay? While I play Fortnite. Dude, no, trading isn't boring for me. I love it, huh? I mean, streaming, bro. Streaming is not boring. I freaking love streaming. You know what? Since I've started streaming with you guys, I have this ambition and this motivation and this drive to want to keep giving you guys so much more. It's crazy. When I first started the stream, I didn't have an expectation. I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. And the first stream, the first 2-3 streams were like, wow, like these people are actually really learning from me. They're actually loving the show. And that's why I'm going further now, because I'm loving it. And I actually feel like I'm turning this into a family. And it's like, it's an unbelievable feeling for sure. Guys, NQ is slowly creeping his way back down to that key level, sitting at 29,300. If price fails to break 29,300, we can look for price to maybe look to take a buy off that level. So we are getting to it now. So maybe we can trade the range. If we fail to break it and we close back above EMA from this level, we can maybe look to scalp a buy up into the 350 area, okay? Which isn't a bad little scalp for a Monday, you know? Just all of you guys spread so much love in this chat. It's insane. I feel like I don't even deserve it sometimes. That would be sick, yo, Ronan. Do you know what else would be sick, dude? If you go to the shops right now and you buy me something with your gambling money, dude. That would be sick. I can send you a list, bro. There's a new bag in Louis Vuitton that I want. I won't even lie. I need a Louis Vuitton bag for Bailey, bro. And Ronan, dude, you need to buy something for Bailey, bro. Remember, Bailey's in your family too, huh? She's your cousin. Like, you need to get her a gift. So when you come to the wedding, you need to bring a gift for Bailey. And Bailey really wants a Louis Vuitton bag. You know the bag that I can carry the dog in? Bro, Bailey really wants that. I think it's about $4,000, but it's okay. You can gamble for it, bro. Yeah, this cap, dude. This cap, the Milk Boys himself gave it to me, actually. Okay, guys, we've gone into the level 29,300. Bailey is the mascot, bro. Bailey is the host of the show, huh? Bailey is a worm, but guys, Bailey is a wiggly worm. That little sausage dog, dude. So guys, quick little talk here. Serious stuff now. We've come down into 29,300. Let's see if we can get something like this. Closure back above the wiggly worm EMA. We can then look to take the buy on that next candle up into the 350 area, okay? Maybe we can try range trade it. It will be risky for sure, but maybe we can try range trade it, okay? We can very well do that. So let's see if we can get it. But if someone is going to take that trade, if it does get given to us on a silver platter, risk not a lot, huh? Because we are in a range. Ranges can break your heart apart, bro. Bro, you're crazy, dude. Stop in Thailand first, bro. Maybe you can stop in Thailand and go pick up a ladyboy for yourself or something like that, dude. James Swack just followed me on Instagram. I am also doing a giveaway tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is a giveaway day. I'm going to give away a 50k account tomorrow on stream. Maybe 2. I'll give away 2 50k accounts tomorrow. So I'm giving away 3 a week. So James Swack, I've given James Swack one. James, bro, I will sort you out tomorrow, okay? With your account. I do have your Instagram, I see. So tomorrow, James, I'll give you your 50k account, brother bear. Okay, when I give the others, I'll send them all one time, okay? It's just easier. But don't worry, my brother bear. Don't change my bias. I'm technically still a bit early. Bro, you're right, actually. I'm not changing my bias. I'm not looking to short anything. I'm very neutral right now. Overall, I'm long. I want to buy, but... Do you look at higher time frame levels, like daily levels? Yeah, sometimes I will just target daily highs and lows. I will just target like previous day high. You know what I mean? Like if I'm taking a long and I don't have a clear target, I will just then target the previous day high. We might have to retrace to Sunday night low for ripping up again. What do you think? Jane Bond? Maybe. A lot of you guys have like, you know, analysis, theory, an idea of what the market can possibly do. You could be right, okay? I just don't look at it like that. So when you tell me it can go to this, it can go to this. If it's following my strategy, I will then, you know, look into it. But I'm not going to go look at where Sunday low is, because if I start doing stuff like that, it's just going to start, I'm overcomplicating it now. I don't need that. But yeah, Jane, it can very well, you know, it can, 100%. You might be right. I don't know. And with all of that last week push, I would like to see a rebalance of the market lower. That would mean to take previous day week. It can happen, right? I think this is something about all-time highs, is that when the market's pushing high, what happens is that traders start expecting price to start rallying lower now. The thing is that, guys, NQ surprise, for the last 6 weeks, people have tried to short Nasdaq, and it just keeps surprising them, keeps pushing higher and higher and higher. That's why I said in the beginning of the stream, I'm open to whatever the market wants to give me, but my bias is bullish. If my bias switches to being bearish, then yeah, we can start looking to take shorts. We are bound to short at some point, and I believe the market is going to have a huge crash coming up at some point. And I don't know if any of you guys know, for the new people into trading, the market moves in cycles. Okay, there is usually, I think there's 3 or 4 cycles in the year, I don't know, but the market moves in cycles. Okay, you have cycle 1, the trading can be so shit, it can be horrible. You have cycle 2, where, for example, now the market's moving really nice for the whole of cycle 2. Cycle 3, I think it can be a big shock. Price can just just dump. And I do believe we're going to have a cycle coming up where the market's going to crash heavy. I do think we're going to have a big crash coming up. After all of this rallying higher and higher, we are bound for a big pullback. at some point, but no one knows when. The minute we get a weekly inside bar is when we know that market's going to crash. If we get a weekly inside bar, I'm going to tell all you guys, okay guys, stock up on accounts right now. We're going to pass them this week. Guys, the minute we have a weekly and a daily inside bar and that breaks the low, it's over. It's over. We will all become millionaires because we all can call that short before anybody else. I know exactly what I'm going to be looking for to call that short. I need to see a weekly and a daily inside bar. And then the minute that inside bar gets broken to the low, I will full port my whole life. No, I'm not full porting short. No. Oh, guys, it's so horrible. This price action, dude. Take us with us one day for a snowboarding. That'll be crazy. Yeah, I am doing a trading retreat next year, guys. I am doing a retreat next year. I've already organized it with someone. Trust me. Takes a bit of planning, but I will be doing a trading retreat next year in the Alps where we can wake up, have a beautiful breakfast, trade the 5 a.m. wiggly worm, go out for the rest of the day snowboarding. That's what I'm going to be doing. Gary B in the chat, bro. Trade what the market you give, not what you think. Exactly. There you go. He's just said it again, guys. Trade what the market gives you. London sesh on Mondays is just whack. I think Mondays in general can be weird, bro. You know what I mean? The market's resetting itself. Like, oh, this is a nasty range that we're in. Oh my god. For all the new people on stream, guys, please can you hit the like button? Please. Let's push it a little bit more. I'm always getting the most weirdest messages, guys, like from these strange brokerages. Hi, I'm the founder of this company. We built a live institutional style buys platform for traders combining... What the hell is that? Would you like to discuss a partnership? Hell no! The only people I partner with is Nasdaq Futures because I fucking love their product, bro. I'm telling you, dude. Hell no. Guys, Joe Biden returned. Joe Biden's in the chat. Everybody say hi to Joe. Yeah, Dan, it is going to be a big short. It's just a matter of when that short's going to happen. I think people are going to start panic selling soon, though. Like, a lot of panic sellers will come in. And the thing is, guys, every time sellers try to push price lower, what does Nasdaq do? Boom! What does Nasdaq do? Boom! It just keeps giving those sellers the middle finger and saying, sorry, not today. Maybe tomorrow, maybe another day. Marco Swanepoel. Yeah, my bro. I'm actually from Khayelitsha. I used to live in Dunoon in the Western Cape, and then I moved to Khayelitsha, and then I immigrated over to the Cape Flats. And then I learned trading, and now I'm living overseas. My dad owns a Gatsby shop in Muizenberg, and my brother's a full-time gambler. But yeah, bro, I'm from Cape Town, South Africa, my guy. Okay, but like no jokes, no jokes aside, I'm from Cape Town, but I live in France. Yeah, right, huh? And Dunoon, my bro. Yeah, you can't hide the accent, yeah. What about you, brother? Where are you from? Are you from Cape Town? If you're from Joburg or Durban, bro. If you're from Durban, there's a lot of guys in the chat that you can relate with, I'm telling you, bro. We have a lot of Indians in the chat. And let me tell you something. The traders that are from India inside of my chat, I love them all so much. They are so cool. It's not like the other Indians I have in my DMs on Instagram that are absolutely bombarding me, asking me for money. Like the guys that are in the stream, they are pure-hearted, real, genuine people, and I love them. Northwest. Yeah. So you from where's the Northwest, bro? Like, nah. Like, I don't even know where in South Africa that is. Oh, Mpumalanga, farm country. Oh, nice. Watch out, an entry might be coming. I don't know, guys. Look how small there can be an entry here. If you guys want to take it, you can take it. But honestly, something I don't like. Look how small these candles are, guys. There's no volume right now in NQ. Huh? I know we've taken a trade every single day live on stream. We might have a day where we just don't have a trade. We need to be a little bit more patient. Cam clearly didn't do scouts. Dude, in South Africa, scouts isn't a thing, huh? Toxic, bro, you missed the biggest move. We literally took the biggest buy on Nasdaq, bro. The chat made millions, bro. The chat made millions of dollars, dude. I used to smoke Durban. What? I used to smoke. What you used to smoke in Durban? Bro, talk about dirty rats, bro. Who has been following the news on this new coronavirus going around on the boats with the rats, bro? I won't lie. I'm so grateful I live in the mountain because that new coronavirus, whatever that thing is called, I don't know the name of that new virus, what it's called, but bro, at least I'm living far away from that, dude. Durban poison. Oh, bro, Durban poison, dude. Guys, Ronan loves Durban poison. He loves Durban poison. He grows that stuff out of his window of his bedroom. Oh, Hantavirus, yeah. Yeah. Maybe, guys, if this Hatter virus thing just absolutely takes off, that's when the market's going to drop, huh? That's when we might have the pullback. So if in the next few weeks we wake up and we look on TikTok and they're like, oh, Hatter virus has just spread all over the USA. Bro, we are going to sell Nasdaq. I just started trading and missed the move last week. What's your name? Rose. Oh, Rose. Don't worry, there's always a move. There is always a move in trading. There's still big moves going to come up. That's not the end, huh? Institutions are just building their positions. Bro, exactly, man. They are. It didn't come in my country. I am waiting. Bro, Sorbet, where do you live, bro? I think you live in India, no? Hatter virus has been a thing for years. Was a big worry when I lived. Yeah, I heard it's been around for quite a while though, the Hatter virus thing. Yeah. Guys, for all the new people that are on, I'm going to say it again. Guys, I've had so many people requesting me to stream London and New York session. So what I've done is I have created a Discord, which I'm going to be releasing tomorrow, a private Discord, where I'm going to start to stream London and New York session, guys, privately. I've been trading New York session a lot, and honestly, it's been boosting. It's been like a bloody rocket ship. It's been crazy, New York session. So I'm going to start streaming New York session live in Discord. Okay, it's a private Discord, and it's going to be more of a community where we can chat. You guys can ask questions. It's not a mentorship, but it's going to be a Discord community where you can learn a lot more. So the whole goal of it is to start off with the 5 a.m. stream and then merge into that New York live trading stream. Okay. That's the plan. I need to make $1 billion this year, so I'm going to be extending my trading into New York session, because New York session last week I made a lot of money in New York session, and I want to trade more New York session. So I will be releasing that information out tomorrow on Instagram, guys, regards to that. Okay, for all my New York session traders. Yeah, thanks. Gold. I'm not looking at gold. I'm not going to look at gold, bro. For free, no, unfortunately not. It's not for free, but it's very, very, very cheap, guys. It is $45 a month. Okay. Someone said, oh, you should charge more because your stream is so valuable. No, dude, I didn't stream to make money out of it. It's not why I've started it. I've streamed to build a really big, beautiful community, and I love streaming. Guys, the 5-minute candle's closing back above EMA. Let's see. This could be the entry. I did say, guys, if we come into this level and we hold it, we close back above EMA, we could maybe take a long into 29,350, okay? The new hourly candle also opened up. $900 in Northwest money, yo. 900 Rand, dude. Yeah, bro. You live on a farm. You can sell some chickens, bro. But to be honest, you don't need to be in the New York stream, dude. Like, you've got this free stream with me every day, and I'm sure the guys in the chat can tell you, like, how great it actually is. Like, we've made a lot of money together. You can see the wins. I've actually got 27 wins, guys. I need to update the win thing, but yeah, we've had 27 wins so far in the last 3 weeks, 8 losses. This stream, there is a lot of knowledge and a lot of trades taken live, where you can learn a lot too, if you can't afford a private Discord. Hi, what's the email? and any other confluence you're using. Roland, I don't understand what you mean. What's the email of what, dude? Guys, the 5 minute is taking off, yeah? Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. There's going to be a trade. Guys, I'm just perving on my fiance right now. Wow, she's so hot. She is so hot. Guys, check my fiance. Sorry, taken. Sorry, guys. Guys, the 5 minute didn't wait for us. Look. Do you know what's crazy? We didn't get the entry, but I was right. It didn't give us the entry, but I was right. I said, if we come into this level, 29,300, and we get back above EMA, what's going to happen? We're most likely going to move and shift into 29,350. So unfortunately, this candle took off without closing. It's too extended. We need to see a pullback into this EMA before taking an entry. If I had to enter this now, when this closes, guys, the stop loss is going to be huge, bro. No thank you. Oh, maybe we might. Oh, maybe there's an entry. Okay, guys. Oh, the thing is, if this 5 minute breaks this high, I won't lie, huh? It's gonna be like a 1-to-1. Like, and look how big the stop is. Okay, guys, I'm not going to enter this. I will not enter this trade. But if you want to take a risk and trade this, you can go for it. But personally, I'm not taking this trade because price is extended too much from the EMA. I will not take this trade. Okay. Price is too extended from that EMA. Okay, I personally don't like that. I don't like that. But if someone wants to take a 1-to-1, it can be a 1-to-1.
Can you take her?
Yeah.
She needs to sleep and she doesn't know what
Okay,
to
put her here,
do.
put her
I need to do some stuff.
Hi, my sweet. Come sleep. Okay, we got the dog back, guys. We got big, beautiful worm Bailey. Come, go make her sleepies, please. Come. Oh, my sweet. Okay, so yeah, for the guys that want to try attempt this buy, that it is valid. It is valid buy setup, but for me, it's not an A+. I just don't like how extended we are. So if you want to take a risk, there is that. I'm just being honest, like if I didn't want to be extra conservative today, I would probably have taken that, but it's not super A plus, huh? Okay, but yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that, but I know there's some people might want to take that trade. The guys that aren't patient enough. There are definitely some guys in the chat that definitely are not patient, I know for sure. But it could still play out, voila. Oh, Marcel van der Walt is in. My buy, bro, I intraday trader, so I can hold a trade up to maximum 3 hours a trade. That's the most I will hold. But usually I'm in and out like 20 minutes. You made a banger trade. I didn't make any trade yet. Oh, Toxic's already in, stops at BE. Yo, you guys are getting too much knowledge, bro, from me. Fuck. No, I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. Giveaway tomorrow. Hey, my sweets. Yeah, fuck. That trading's horrible, my love. Hi. Make us sleepies, please. Make us sleepies. No, my boo-boos. No, my boobs. Oh, I made a banger last week, Friday. Dude, it was crazy, yeah. It was crazy, guys. I have a nice big payout coming tomorrow. I won't lie. It is really hard sitting on my hands right now, not touching the market, right? But, you know what? These days can happen sometimes. It's been a long time since I haven't taken a trade, so today might be that day. Lisandro, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, I'm trying. I am trying. Show of hands, guys. Who took this trade right now? Who's in this buy? I will be requesting payout live, guys. Don't you worry. Well, if you're in this trade, you're in profit, huh? You're in profit. Not a lot, but you're in profit. Bailey, no, come sit, please. Sit. Come sleep, please. Mom said you need to sleep, huh? Nice, sweetie. Okay, we got some peeps in the chat. If price can close above that my key level that we've just rejected, that could be confirmation to keep going higher, but you need to really be patient on this one because that stop is huge. Like, price can fluctuate a bit. Hi, beautiful one. Oh, good morning. Hi, my love. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's no trade today for Cameron. There's no trade today. No, Bailey. Fuck, she's fucking crazy. No, sit down. You almost broke your back, dude. Try to jump off the fucking chair. Relax, please. No. Sleep. Do. Okay? There's people watching you. Yes. Please sleep. Damn, guys. It's just one of those days, huh? It is just one of those days. It is just one of those days where you can do nothing but sit on your hands. And it can happen sometimes. But you know what? I'm saving myself from losing money right now by not trading this range, so. Let her give me a signal. Bro, the only signal this dog gives me is when she wants food, dude. Which is every minute of the day. She will... Yeah, that's the only signal she gives me. She looks at me and she wants food. What the dog doing? Yeah, you almost broke your back falling off, huh? You long ghoul? No. Yes. Yes, you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yes. Yes, my sweet. And everybody on the stream, love you too. Everybody on the stream, love you too. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that. I did say take it at your own risk, but man, I wasn't prepared for drawdown. Like if I'm gonna take a trade, I need to take a trade that I know I'm gonna have like almost no drawdown on. But it's okay. It does not mean this trade is over. Like I say, it's not over until it's over. Yeah. It ain't over until it's over. So until stop loss will get hit on this trade, that's when you know it's over. But by the looks of it, I don't think I do think this trade will win. I do think this trade will win. So if you're in this trade, don't worry, you're gonna win. I wouldn't tell you guys to take a setup if I didn't believe in it. Or no, I didn't tell you to take it, but I did say this can work out. It just wasn't A plus for me. This is a B plus setup. B pluses can still win, huh? B pluses usually have like a 55 to 60% win rate. So trust me when I say this, I will not F you over by showing you a trade, okay? I'm just looking for a really clean trade to get in. That's it. So if we can close above this key level, see we're breaking above it now. If we can close above, price should now go higher. And then you can start trailing your stop loss, you know what I mean? If we can break above 29,350 and close, you can maybe go break even on this trade even now. Awesome dog. I appreciate it. Do you use VWAP at all? No, I do not. Hey, what is it? What do you want? No. What do you want, sweet? You crazy little rat, huh? Do you want to go? You want to go? Come on in. Let's go. Come on in. Come on in. No. 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 Yeah, smack that like button, boys and girls. Yo. What a freaking day, man. Have I seen sausage dog races? I haven't seen sausage dog races, but you know what I have seen? I have seen duck races. And tomorrow we're doing a duck race, guys. Tomorrow is a duck race. We're doing a big duck race tomorrow for 100k in challenges. Hello, Gogos. Mwah. Mwah. Have I ever traded or still trade any crypto? No, I don't do crypto, bro. I do not do crypto. Only crypto I do is when FunderPro pays me in my USDC. That's the only crypto I do. Oh. Come, you wanna go play in your bullies? Come on. Come on, your bullies. Come on, come, Cooks, come. Come on, man. Come on, you boys. Come on, you boys. Come, baby. Oh, my sweet, come. Oh, this dog is crazy. Come, NQ's flipping her. NQ is trying to push above. What's the time? Guys, I think that if you are in this trade, you're gonna win. You guys are gonna win this trade. Looking at it now, ooh, looks nice, huh? But look how this. Nah, this 15, yeah, guys. The 15-minute, guys. Look how the 15-minute closed back above EMA. Look how the 15-minute closed back above EMA. Okay. 15-minute closed back above EMA, and now this 15 just broke that high as well. Getting above. Guys, I think if you're in this trade, it's going to be a W for you, huh? It's going to be a W for you, guys. Gonna be a W. So if you're in this, guys, nice. It's okay. I don't have FOMO. I was expecting it to go up, but I needed something that I was like, I basically want a trade where I can put size on. I want to go heavy. I don't want to use 5 micros. I want to use like 20. So I needed something a bit more clearer. But it looks good. Okay, our NQ is really moving now. New all-time high coming again. Who would have thought? Bro, it's not surprising me, huh? New all-time highs are gonna come. Like, and it's just facts. Like, bro, it's not so, when price is so bullish like this and it keeps breaking through all-time highs, it's gonna keep doing it again and again and again until it doesn't. It's not surprising. Guys, look at this. Jeez, I won't lie, I missed out, bro. This is a W, for the guys that took this trade. Who in the chat's in this trade? Let's see if we can make it up to 29,400. 29,400 is the target. I rate you can hold this up into 29,400, guys. Jesus, guys. By the way, I needed to add I need to update the tally because I took a win on Friday New York session. I didn't do. Okay, this is a win as well, guys. So 26, 7, 8. We have 28 wins, 8 losses. Holy smokes. "28 wins, 8 losses. That's freaking mental, bro. That is mental. I can't even lie. Well, if you're in this trade, guys, big congrats, huh? Big congrats. You took the risk of getting in. Damn. Yo, Marcel, congrats, brother. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Ronan, did you take this trade, bro? I swear you should. I hope you took it. Holy smokes, guys. What a trade. Hi. Hi. Come. Come. I got you. I got you. It's okay. Guys, why not hop in? Because I'm not gonna hop in this. Like, for what? I don't need to take a trade today. I don't need to make money today. This is for you guys. Exactly, James. This is why I've got a small fee on the private, because I honestly, yeah, I give out way too much sauce. Like, way too much sauce. Yeah. But guys, private Discord is going to be released tomorrow. I'm going to be releasing it live on our session. So tomorrow you guys can sign up for the private Discord, and then tomorrow what we're going to do is after the stream, I'm going to go straight into New York session with the private team. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be the release of the private Discord, guys. Tomorrow will be the release of the private Discord. And we're going to trade live New York session every day, bro. Do you think if we close to the upside, we should be fine? Bro, I think we're going to come for 29,400, bro. We're bullish. So you guys, if you took this trade, congrats, guys. Big congrats. Close your full position as you've hit like a 1-2, or almost a 1-2, I think. Congrats to you all, man. And the guys that went in earlier, big congratulations. Big congratulations. But you know how it goes, guys. This is the winning team, the daily show. We keep trading simple. We execute. Guys, this trade, look how patient we were. Look how patient we were, and now look at the result, right? Yes, I didn't personally take the trade because I'm not forcing a trade for myself. This is just me today. Could I have taken the trade with you guys? Absolutely. But for me, I'm getting a payout tomorrow, and I'm getting a big payout tomorrow. So for me, I'm just taking it easy. But for you guys, I hope you enjoy the profits. You saw the execution of the strategy. Price comes into a key level at 29,300. The minute we get that first 5-minute closure back above that EMA, you trade the break of that candle, and then you can target all-time highs. It's so simple. 28 wins and 8 losses. Do you know how big that is, guys? This is huge. The execution is so simple. A baby can do it, guys. My dog can even trade it if she wanted to. It is so simple and it doesn't overwhelm your mind. Now, this is what you guys obviously need. I promise you to get rich as fuck. Are you sending the link? Yeah, guys, tomorrow I will be sending the link to the private Discord, okay? Guys, NQ taking off to the moon, bro. Yeah, in the Discord, I'm going to be trading London and New York session. Yeah. And I'm also going to be trading gold, guys. I'm going to expand into trading gold as well. So if you guys want to trade some gold using the strategy, I will be trading gold as well on London session. I'll be trading gold in London session live, and then New York session I'll be trading NQ. But you know what? Like I'm keen to play around on gold a little bit. I was back testing it a bit last week, and the setups are great. So tomorrow's a day. So tomorrow's a big day, guys. I'm releasing the private Discord. I am going to be doing a giveaway live on stream with you guys, and we are going to request payout. Tomorrow's a big day. It's a huge day tomorrow and an exciting day. So be there tomorrow. Don't miss it. Do not miss it. So if you guys don't want to miss it, turn your notifications on, and you'll be notified when I go live on YouTube. All right, so you don't miss anything. I'm using EMA 9. EMA 9. It will be released in Discord as well. I'm going to be making breakdown videos of it, okay? But anyways, enough said. That's all a surprise for you guys. Other than that, guys, congratulations on the trade if you took it. Patience pays. It's just Monday. We got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? I love you all so much. That's me out. And I'm going to go and get ready for a New York session. So with that being said, guys, see you all tomorrow. Peace and love. I love you all so much. And if you do want to trade futures, guys, click the link in the chat that I pinned or in the bio of the stream. You can sign up with Thunderpro Futures, guys, and you can get a 200k account like me, and you can make $25,000 like I did in the last 2 weeks. And if you don't believe me, guys, if you don't believe I made $25,000, let me just prove it to you, because I'm going to show you right now to all the haters. Look at my balance. You see that, guys? You know that's not a demo account, because if that was a demo account, I would have that is the live balance, $25,000 in profit, okay? And I did that all live. So tomorrow we were requesting payout, and yeah. So with that being said, I love you all so much. Go enjoy this profit, go enjoy the money, lock yourself out for the day, and just chill out, bro. Enjoy. Anyways, guys, I love you all so much. Peace and love you all. See you tomorrow.